beautiful 1 to 4 in less than 1 minute on NQ this morning for a grand total of 18K. So let me go ahead and break this trade down. This is the first trade I'm breaking down in the new year. Let me go ahead and rewind the charts to show you guys what I was looking at. So first things first, I was noticing we were in a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. However, we still had some higher time frame draws up here in terms of a daily high, and then we even had a daily wick consequent encroachment. So I was thinking we'd at least reach a little bit higher. We also had a weekly order block mean threshold up here, and we were closing past the initial order block level. So I was thinking, okay, if we open up and we do a slight bit of retracing, we could enter this golden zone. And then also going into New York session, I was seeing a clear potential for a New York continuation out of New York open. So we can continue from this 15-minute gap here, this 15-minute bullish gap here, or this 15-minute order block. And you guys already know I like using the order block, so I was thinking we can use that to go up to some of these daily levels. So I set my limit order on that order block just a tad bit above the mean threshold. 10-point stop here. That's the stop loss that I always use for this model. And then this morning I was aiming for a 1 to 4, no runner, just a fixed 1 to 4. So that was how I was set up moving into market open. My only concerns were that after we reached past this into this level here, which was an order block, and then we also had a weekly level up there as well, was that we could potentially set in the New York reversal at that point. So I just had to be careful if I hold a runner. Other than that, we have London low down here, which should remain intact, and London high was up here somewhere, and we have already taken London high. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 1 minute time frame, see how things played out for us here. You can see, boom, we opened the market. I thought initially we may start to rally without me, so I just continued to wait. I did not chase these fair value gaps either. And then you could see it makes its way down into our entry. We get filled and we get filled. So less than a minute's time, we were already in and out with a 1 to 4. You can see price does chop back down, so you would have been stopped out on your runner there, but you can see it does give one more run off that level. And it looks like we may be continuing into somewhat of a 2022 model of some sort. You can see that was plenty enough for us to capitalize, and you can see it's still going in your favor on the 15-minute as well. So the good thing about these is you don't need the full move to catch a good 4R, 5R. Typically when you're using 2022 model IFEGs, if you catch the move, you still have to be right about the 15-minute or the 1 hour if you want to get a really good risk to reward. Whereas with the top and bottom ticking model, you can get a good risk to reward off just a little market fluctuation. So very good model. If you guys have not viewed my tutorial on this model, make sure to check out the full strategy video. That way you can start using this strategy to make money as well. And if you want to work one-on-one with me, if you want to be a part of these live sessions, if you want to smack trades with me and work with me one-on-one on a daily basis, make sure to hit the link in the description as well. Other than that, I'm going to see you guys in the next one, and be blessed.